Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick BBQ sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Also, have 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a few common spices ready. This easy method uses simple items you likely already have on hand for a fantastic homemade sauce. Now, let's combine our core flavors. In a medium saucepan, pour in 1 cup of ketchup and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, which provides a lovely sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for depth. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to build that classic barbecue taste. It's time to add some seasoning and let the flavors meld. Stir in a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika for that smoky essence, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. If you enjoy a little kick, feel free to add a pinch of cayenne pepper now. Bring this delicious mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, letting it cook for about 10 minutes. As your sauce simmers, remember to stir it occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure all the flavors are well distributed. Once it has simmered for 10 minutes, remove it from the heat. The sauce will naturally thicken slightly as it cools, achieving a perfect consistency for all your barbecue needs. Store any leftover homemade BBQ sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.